A little bit of update on the electronics that goes into the wing, and this is why the underside sheeting hasn't been put on yet. I gotta make sure that everything is at its proper place and I can retrieve it once it's covered. So I'll show you around a bit. I don't know if you can see it. I'm alone filming. First of all, this is the aileron servo, as some of you have seen. And then you see here, there's the focus, the boost stab servo. And I have three connected systems right now for the time being. And this is the retract servo. Excuse me. Now, these are the fiber optic decoders. I know that some of you know that I use fiber optics, some of you don't, so bear with me. Just for safety. So these are the decoders, as I mentioned. The encoders are inside the tube, and you have here a multi-plug that will take care of the power, an electronic fail-safe switch. Fail-safe meaning if for some reason the mechanical switch breaks or whatever, the switch stays on, you don't lose power. And I've used these here as three wires joined together on this so that I can have the power. You can't see inside, but three wires together means I can hold theoretically 21 amps, so no worries there. Positive and negative, both of them are individual. Since I'm using 16 channels for the whole airplane, the retracts right now have been assigned to channel 11 and 12. This is an 8-channel receiver, but it also has 16 channels if you use this, or 4 of these. You can get 16 channels right out of these 4 of these, or 8 here and 4 more there. So for now, I've assigned channel 1 on the S-Bus decoder, which is my channel 12. So let me plug this in, and okay, I'm just gonna will I set this down? Okay, I took a short pause to plug it in. You can see the receiver right now is not receiving any transmission signal, so slowly and now
Forks research. Communication ready.
there you
Final
go.
warning.
Okay, now as you can see, the light is green and this is green. So, but if I try to move the controls, which I am now, nothing moves, which is why I have the servos on an exterior battery and not the receiver battery. You just heard I put the power on. And you see the boost tab working. So I have reduced the throw of the ailerons and put some exponential. This will all be readjusted later on. And you can see the little servo acting in the opposite direction. Okay, and for now the retracts won't work except the servo. And that's the one that's on the S-Bus. But again, there's no power going through the S-Bus because they use an exterior battery. So that's it for now. I'll show you some more later.